This is a program to convert rectangular coordinates to polar coordinates. So if you have x, y value, you want to change it to polar, you'd have a radius and an angle, or theta. Radius equals the square root of x squared plus y squared. Angle, or theta, equals the inverse tangent yx. So let's plug that in. Program. Create new. We're going to call this rec. So REC. REC angle, and we're changing that to polar. So P O L A. Let's erase the A. We'll just say pole. So rec to pole. Rectangular to polar. Alright. And then let's hit enter. And now we're going to go to program, IO, prompt. And we want to prompt the x and y values. So x comma alpha y, and the first thing we're going to display is the radius. So let's go to program, display, and we want to call this the radius. So we'll just call this R. Close, comma, and this is basically going to be the square root of x squared plus alpha y squared. Here we go, close that, and that's the radius. And then we also want to display the angle. So display, let's put that as the angle there. Take off the alpha, comma, and now type in the formula. So the formula is the inverse tangent y over x. Press enter. Let's see if that works. Second quit. Go to program, rectangular to polar, and let's see. So if we have an example of x, y coordinates, so if we have a 12 and a 5, that should give us a radius or polar coordinates of 13 and 22.6 degrees. And you want to make sure that your calculator is in degrees. So you would go to mode and you make sure that it's not on radians and that it's on degrees. My calculator right now is in degrees. So 12 is the x value, 5 is the y value, and we have a radius of 13 and 22.6 degrees. So it works.